Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. One of my subscriber asked me about to how to disable the dates in the React Native calendar picker. So I'm come up with that video. I'm going to show you how we are going to disable the particular dates, whether it come from the API or whether you want to disable that one. So let's get started. And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. Okay, and please do comment also if you really like that one. Okay, so let me connect with the Anydesk and let's see. I will show you. Okay, this can Anydesk is connected. Okay, and let's again retry to reconnect. Accept, start now. And here we have a range picker, right? So currently you can see that I have disabled the dates 25. Okay, I will just copy this one 25 date, and I will just again this one 25 and 26 dates I want to be disabled it. Okay, if I go to this one, you can see that 25 26 dates are blocked. Okay, in this way you can disable the as many as dates that you can want, right? So this is how we can disable the particular date that is not going to be selected. You can also year also do that. Okay, so my one of the subscriber asked me about how to disable the dates, so this tutorial on that one. So I hope you understand how to disable the dates, whether it's from the API or whether you are doing from the manually or just statically right? You can make it dynamic accordingly. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.